শুরু করো।
Welcome everyone to our online session. I am ATM Shamil, head teacher Amogundar Aminullah Secondary School. Today's my lesson is one narration class 8, especially changing person. In my last class, I have discussed before you that the changing of first person, the person within the inverted comma will be changed according to subject first person, and today I am going to discuss the changing of second person. Now I am going to write down a sentence. You will be very carefully observe this sentence here. Sweet learners, look at the board and try to observe very carefully. Here the person is you, it is second person. All the second persons, it may be nominative, objective, singular, plural, possessive, any kind of second person, any number, any case of second person, all will be changed according to the object of reporting verb. Here the object of reporting verb is me, it is first person. So here you, it will be changed into first person. If the object is third person, the second person will be turned into third person. You will have to be very careful that here you, in the box we see here is you, here is also you. It is singular, it is plural. You will be very careful that here you, what is it? It may be singular or plural. So if you look the object of this reporting verb very carefully. If the object of this reporting verb is singular, the second person is singular. If the object is plural, the second person will be plural. I am going to write down another example. There is also you, it is also second person. It will be also changed according to the object of reporting verb. Here object of reporting verb is boys, it is third person. So the second person you will be changed into according to the object. Here the you will be turned third person. It will be changed into third person. You will be remember that here is you, here is also you, but the number of them are not the same. It is singular, it is plural. So you may ask me, how can I find out it? It is very easy. If you look at the object, here object is me, it is first person singular, so this second person is singular, but here the second person you, it will be turned according to the object of the reporting verb. Here the object of this reporting verb is the boys, it is third person plural number. It is third person plural number. So here you will be turned according to its number. Here you is plural, but here you is singular. Sweet learners, I hope that you will be very clear, you will get very clear idea. If you look at the object of this reporting verb, object may be either singular or plural. Only you cannot give you the clear information of its number. Here is also you, the verb is are, here is also you, verb is are. This verb cannot give you the any symptom, any signal, any alarm about the number of you. But if we look at the object of this reporting verb, we can get easily the idea of its number. Here the object is boys, it is third person plural, and here object is me, it is first person singular, it is first person singular, so you will be turned according to its number. Here you will be turned into I. I am going to describe it how I. It may be another first person, and here you will be turned into it is third person plural, so it will be they. You will be find out the number, person and case. It is second person, it is plural number, and what is it? Here you, it may be nominative, it may be objective. Both you is here nominative. All it is subject, it is also subject. So when it will be changed, its case will be remain the same. It is nominative case. So which person will come here, it will be also be nominative. It is nominative, so the changing number, coming number will also be nominative. It is subject, it is subject. But in another sentence, you may be object. I am going to write down another example. The example will help you to understand the case of you. Wait a bit. Learners, look at the board. Here is also another you. If you explain the sentence, you will be see that here subject is I, and you, it is object. You will be very careful. In our previous sentences examples, we have also faced you, but here is also you, but they are not the same as the sentence part. Before our previous sentences, you was nominative, but in this sentence, you is object. Here subject is I. If you have the information and knowledge of subject and object, you can get it as an object. If you ask me, I shall help you, whom I shall help? Whom I shall help, the answer is you. If the answer against you is object. So here you is object. Here you is object and its number you, it will be turned second person. So second person will be changed according to the object. Here object is first person. Honesty first person. So it will be changed into first person. It is you should think it is singular or plural. If we look at the object, we can see here object is singular, so this second person is also singular. Here it is objective case, so it will be turned into objective here, or object of reporting verb is first person, it is singular number, so the changing person will be first person, singular number and objective case. We know that the first person singular number objective is me. So here the changing person of you is me. I am going to discuss again. Here you is exist in this sentence. It is object. So it is object. As it is object, it will be turned according to objective case. It is second person, so it will be changed according to the object of reporting verb. Here object of reporting verb is me. It is first person, it is singular number. So this changing person must be first person and singular number. Here it is object as an object of a sentence. So the changing number of you will be also objective case. It will be turned, the changing number will be first person singular number and objective case. We know that first person singular objective is me. Here you will be turned into me. I am going to write down another example. The case, according to the case, we have discussed before singular plural. Here we have also discussed the case of you. Another case of you, possessive case. I am going to write down another examples. You will be very careful to understand the sentence. Here second person is you. At first you will have to understand which person is. It is second person. All second person will be turned according to the object of reporting verb. Here object of reporting verb is me. It is first person. Me is singular number. So the changing number will be first person singular, and the case of you is possessive. So changing person will be must be possessive. So the changing number of it will be first person singular number possessive. We know that the first person singular number possessive is mine. So your will be turned into mine. If the object will be plural, its changing number must be plural. But here is singular, so it will be turned into singular. Sweet learners, you will be very careful that the changing person may be vary according to its number, person and case. It may be changed according to subject, according to object. I am going to discuss again. All first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb, and all second person will be changed according to the object of reporting verb. Here another question may arise: if there is no object of reporting verb, listen to me very carefully. If there is no object of a reporting verb, then what will happen then? Then you will have to understand that you will have to take a suitable object of reporting verb. You will have to gauge a object of reporting verb, suitable reporting verb according to the imaginary reporting or object of reporting verb. You will change then your second person. I think that it will help you a lot. And there is another question that there may be also third person in the within the inverted comma. When there will be third person within the inverted comma, here is one sentence will be clear. So all third person will remain unchanged. No doubt, doubtlessly you can keep it unchanged. If there is third person, it may be either singular or plural, nominative, objective, possessive, any type of third person, any number, any case. All third person will remain unchanged. No more today. Wishing you all well-being. Bye. See you again.